How to buy a QUBETICS token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of the updates, as you can see, this post in January 26. So if you click on it, you will be able to see this link here that you can be able to buy this. So if you click on it, you will be able to redirect you to this page, or you can go to their official website. It's the same. So after that, click on join pre-sale. Now is that what you need to do. After this page, it will show what you need to do. So as you can see, the phase number 19, next phase begins in the 4 days. So what you need to do, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. So after that, just choose it. Now use the MetaMask. As you can see, which extension do you want to connect with? So because I have multiple wallet, I will use the MetaMask for that. So I will just log into my trust wallets for that. Sorry guys, I will just click on connect. So after that, after you connect your wallet to this pre-sale page, as you can see, you have the dashboard and you have the buy. So we want to buy this token. So what you need to do is just step one, select the payment method. If you want to select the VNB network, you can select the token that you want to buy with. So this is the same as the this networks, the other network. So if you want to select the Solana, you can here type how much you want to buy of that Solana you have in your wallet. And now this is how much you will be receiving of that token. So after that, click on buy now. And as you can see, send deposit. So scan this QR code and now go to your wallet and send that amount of SOL to this address. So as you can see, the payment address. So after they receive that payment and with your address, they will send you that amount that you shown here of that token. So after that, you can be able to have this token on your wallet after you make this transaction. So this is how to buy TICS, TICS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.